Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Today we will discuss current affairs sample paper of examination. Means this sample paper is related to upcoming half-yearly examination, and in this sample paper number of question 15 and time duration 8 minutes, and each to answer as 1 point, and there are no any negative marking in your sample paper. So let's start. Which state has launched the Jeevan Amrit Yojana in April 2020 to boost immunity system of citizens of the state? Option first Himachal Pradesh, option second Assam, option third Madhya Pradesh, and option four Uttarakhand. You choose the correct option according to your question, and here put correct option Madhya Pradesh. Here the timer show, and here number of questions. When you click select choose option first, then you click the next button and move the second question. Second question: which state use Nightingale's 19 and Karmi Boats robot to minimize the human interaction in the COVID-19 treatment? Option A Goa, option B Maharashtra, option C Kerala, and option 4 Karnataka. So you click here Kerala. If you want to change your option, then you here change. Suppose that you click Karnataka, then option is change Karnataka. So correct option is here Kerala, but you can, if you select any wrong option, then you change your option. Click the next, move the third question. Here show the question bottom of here. Means total show here 15 question, and you are now present time question number 3. Question number 3: which country on 19 July 2020 launched its first mission to Mars? Which country on 19 July 2020 launched its first mission to Mars? Option Malaysia, second option India, Iran, and UAE. The correct option is UAE. Click the next. Question 4. Which company on 15 August 2020 was ordered to sell all its assets in the United States within 19 days? Option WeChat, second TikTok, third Samsung, fourth Lenovo. The correct option is TikTok. Then click the next button and move to next question. Question number 5. Which country on 17 June 2020 launched Operation Cloud Tiger against Kurdish militants in Iraq? Option Iran, Turkey, United States, and Israel. Correct option Turkey. Next question. The World Health Organization recently categorized coronavirus as which of the following? Pandemic, endemic, epidemic, and none of these. Correct option pandemic. Click the next question. Question number 7. How many countries, area or territories are suffering from novel corona outbreak in the world? Option first more than 50, option second more than 100, option third more than 150, option 4 more than 200. The correct option is fourth, more than 200. After that, you click the next button and move the next question. Question number 8. World Health Organization on 11th February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Option A first COVID-19, option B COVID-18, option C COVID-20, option all of these. Correct option COVID-19. Next question, question number 9. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? First option, cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. Second option, add more garlic into our diet. Option 3, visit your doctor for antibiotics treatment. Option 4, all of these. Correct option, first. Line of actual control line is a disputed borderline between China and India. Second, China and Pakistan. Third, India and Pakistan. Fourth, none of these. Correct option, China and India. Next, which country has withdrawn from UN World Health Organization WHO on 8 July 2020? United States. Second, China. Third, Russia. And fourth, United Kingdom. Option is United States. Next question, question 12. The FIFA World Cup 2026 will be hosted in option France and Germany, Brazil and Argentina, Canada, Mexico, United States, and option 4, China. The correct option, Canada, Mexico and United States. Question 13. The 2020 Olympics, Tokyo Olympics are postponed and how will be hosted in 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. The correct option, second, 2021. Which region of the world was declared free of wild polio on 25th August 2020? Option Africa, option second Pakistan, Bhutan, and fourth option America. The correct option is Africa. Move the next question. 15th question. Currently, about how much world's goods trade by volume is carried on ships? 50%, 60%, 70%, and 80%. The correct option for 80% goods transfer through ships, carried on ships. Correct option is 80%. Means you can, if you select wrong option, then you can change in your online examination. Multiple choice question. Suppose that here example. Suppose it is wrong, then you click here 50, then you select the 50. Means you can easy way to choose, select a correct option. Sometimes maybe you select a wrong option, then you can, after that you can change a correct option. So you select 80. Sometimes you move back. You click the previous button and you move to back questions. Here the question number 14, and you can click the next button, move to the question 15. So after that here the finish, you click the finish. Yes, it means you submit your exams. But in your online examination, after 1 hour, your exam automatically submit. Automatically. So you click here the finish to submit your exam. Here you see the result. Score 50 out of 50. 15 out of 15 because means your all questions right. So it means as it is your examination continue. Your online examination as it is perform. When you submit your final exam, you click your button final, then you show your marks, how many marks you achieve out of 100. In class 5th to class 7th students, 1 hour time duration and 50 questions. In class 8 students, 1 hour time duration and 50 questions. So you can follow such type of steps to solve your question quickly within a time. Click here below, and thank you for watching our current affairs sample question related to your upcoming half-yearly examination. Thank you.